viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So today we are going to discuss about staking. Yes, if you need to get massive earning or you get more earning from your Binance Smart Chain staking, so you must watch this video till end, because in this video I'm giving to information how can you stake your BNB for top ranking validator. If you have some BNB, so you can easily earn massive income. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So here, first of all, I'm going to log in my Binance Smart Chain Wallets, and today we are going to discuss about staking. If you have BNB at your account, so you can get or earn massive income. Going to enter my password here. First of all, click on unlock option. Now my wallet is open in front of me. I have not any BNB on this time, but I'm giving to complete method. How can you stake your BNB? Let's suppose you have a BNB in your wallets and you need to earn more earning from this holding. Simple is that you can stake your BNB for top ranking validator. So how can you stake? Simple is that go to the click on three dot. There are three dots, and first option is that staking. Simple click on staking option. Now the BNB chain.org open in front of you. You can see here and the BNB chain.org front of you. This time validator is 21 out of 43. Bonded token almost 100 million plus. And if you need to check the validator, so there is shown all validators. There are two pages available here, first page and second page. I recommend it to you. You just select top 3 validator, and you can also check the APR. So if we check the first validator, Legend 2, so you can see here the voting power is 5.5% and almost 1 million token bound in this validating, and 7% commission, and APR 6.91%. This time status is active, and you can see here there is not shown the delegate, means you can't delegate your BNB without connecting your Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this website. So how can you connect your website, or how can you connect your wallet with this website? Simple is that there is option is available, connect wallet. Simple click on this wallet, and after that shown there Binance Chain Wallet or Wallet Connect coming soon. This option is not usable this time, but we are going to discuss about Binance Chain Wallet, so that we are going to select this option and click on Connect Wallet. When you click on Connect Wallet, so pop-ups will be open in front of you where you need to enter your password, because your wallet is going to connect with this stake side. Going to password here. I've entered my password here. Simple click on unlock button. Now viewers, you can see here my wallet is connected successfully here. You can see here my wallet is connected. My Binance Smart Chain Wallet is shown here. And let's suppose you want to stake your BNB coin from these list which is shown here. commission 3% and APR 5.4%. You can select according to you. It's your choice. I'm not recommended. But let's suppose I want to delegate my BNB on first validator. So simple click on it. You can see here the delegate button is highlighted because we have successfully connected our Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this website, so that the button is highlighted. I just simple click on delegated. When you click on it, so you can see here delegate pop-ups will be open in front of you. If you delegate or redelegate unbound once, the second request will be slower. So you must keep in your mind minimum of 7 days unbound period. If you need to unbound your stake BNB, so you will wait for 7 days. Okay, after you send delegate transaction, you will receive your first staking reward. When you are going to send delegation transaction, so you will receive the time of UTC plus 3 UTC. Okay, the stake validator name legend 2, which is we have selected from the row of staking validators. The cross-in transfer address Binance Smart Chain mainnet. The second is stake address, and the amount is, let's suppose you want to stake your 10 BNB on this validator. Simple enter your amount, and after that you just simple click on delegate. When you click on delegate, so your amount will be detected from your Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and after that the amount will be on staking, means your staking will start. So if you need to check your staking scenario or all reports, so simple click on my staking area. You can see here there is shown my staking area. Simple click on it, and now you can see here my Binance Smart Chain Wallet. If you have balance, so you will be shown your balance here, and also your delegation here, and if you unbound, so the result will be shown here, and if you have delegate, so your frozen BNB shown here. And my Binance Smart Chain address, this is your address, and if you have a balance on this wallet, so you can directly delegate from this option. And if you need to get the transaction or history, so your history will be shown in this portion. I have not balance this time, so that there is not shown any history, but if you use this same scenario, so you will get massive earning from staking. But it's depend on you. I'm not giving to any financial advice. If you need to get earning, so you can do this. Okay, I just give you information about this staking. So I hope viewers you properly understand how can you stake your BNB in Binance Smart Chain Wallet. This is so simple and easy. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. And you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So please go to my YouTube channel and go to the video area, and then must watch my all videos which is I have create about cryptocurrency wallets. So if you get more information, so please must visit daily on YouTube this channel. Okay, so let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.